Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can do a practice live stream. Did I say practice right? Sorry, a practice live stream on Instagram. So you're just going to want to swipe to the right or wherever, go to live, and you will have this sort of button right here, and it is broadcast audience. You can either go public right now and you would automatically be live to your followers, or you can practice. It says go live by yourself or with others to practice. Nobody will notify, and you can change the audience when you're ready. You can add people to the practice live stream, so others won't be notified. So you press set audience, and I am just going to practice live. So I'm just going to click the live button, checking connection, and I am now in a practice live. Here is where I can create a room by inviting others to broadcast with you, manage your live and see who's watching, view questions from your audience and share them on the screen, add face filters, control your camera or mute your audio, and view requests from your audience to join your live video. I'm assuming this is where you can invite people to join your live stream over here, and you're just going to type in their usernames to invite them to join the live stream for the practice one, of course. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!